Archie, 10, aimed big. Top 50 Airbnbs. Like Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all, right? His mom just sighed. Archie, no. First, a treehouse. Squirrels stole his cookies. Next, a castle. Too drafty. Archie complained. This is like paying for a leaky roof. Then, a houseboat. Seasick Archie declared, never again. Turned out, the luxury yacht was actually a dumpster barge. He quit after 3. Turns out, top 50 meant top 50, cheapest bids. Even Archie knew that stinked. Like Limburger cheese. Sometimes, 5 stars means 0 sanitation stars.